The Penn Forester. A bike built for riders who want it all: performance, durability, and freedom. At its core, the Penn Forester features a lightweight alloy frame, strong enough to take on rugged trails, yet light enough to glide effortlessly through city streets. Every line of its design is purposeful, blending modern engineering with timeless style. Its precision drivetrain delivers smooth, responsive shifting, giving you the power to climb steep hills and the speed to conquer open roads. The gearing is tuned for versatility, whether you're weaving through urban traffic, tackling gravel paths, or cruising long stretches of countryside. The Forester's suspension system absorbs every bump and shock, keeping your ride stable and controlled across any terrain. Pair that with all-terrain tires that grip confidently in rain, dirt, or pavement, and you have a machine built for both adventure and everyday life. Comfort hasn't been overlooked. With ergonomically designed handlebars, an adjustable saddle, and an optimized riding position, the Penn Forester is crafted for endurance, so every ride feels as good as the first. But the Forester is more than just components and specs. It's about freedom. The freedom to turn your daily commute into something effortless. The freedom to trade busy streets for open trails. The freedom to chase horizons, write new stories, and go wherever the path leads. From quick sprints through the city to long weekend rides into the wild, the Penn Forester is built to perform, built to last, and built for riders who refuse to settle. The Penn Forester. Go further. Ride freer.